A very good morning, students. Hope you all are fine and well. So today we will start our fifth chapter of English grammar, singular and plural nouns. I hope you all know about this as you all are doing study for this from class 1. Singular nouns are the nouns. Those are justifying one thing, one person and one object. And plural nouns are the nouns. Those are justifying more than one person, thing, place or object. For example, there is a potato on the table. A potato, a means one thing. So here is one potato on the table. So this is singular noun. Then come down, there are two potatoes on the table. So two means more than one. So this is plural noun. Okay, so let's start how to make singular how to make plural of a singular noun. Okay, so number one is students, as you all know that whenever we are making plural, we are normally adding s in the spelling, like car, cars, horse, horses, eyes, kite, kite, etc. And sometimes what is happening here, sometimes when the spelling, any spelling which is ending with s, double s, sh, ch, o, x, we add es to change into the plural forms. It means अगर किसी spelling में एंड में एस, डबल एस, एच, सी, एच, ओ आते या एक्स आता है, तो जब हम उसका प्लूरल बनाते हैं, वी विल एड ई एस इन द स्पेलिंग. हाउ? Bus. What is coming in the end? S. So buses. Es we add here. Then class. Classes. Double S is here. So we will write es in the spelling. Okay. Sh. Brush. Sh is here. Brushes. Branch. Branches. Potato. O is here. Potatoes. Fox. Foxes. Okay. Like this we have to do. Rule number 3 is when a spelling which end with F or FE, we will write VES in the place of F or FE. Okay, जब कोई spelling F या FE से end होती है, तो जब हम उसका plural बनाते हैं, we will add VES in the spelling. You can see an example like leaf, L-E-A-F, leaf. Leaf means one leaf. So what is coming in the end? F. So when we will make the plural of this, we will write VES in the place of F. So leaves will come. Okay. Then life, FE is coming. So lives will come. We will write lives as a plural. Okay. Then come down here. Rule number 4. This is very easy. In the last class, I already taught you about this. Nouns that ends with consonant plus Y, we will write IES in the place of Y. It means जब भी कोई spelling Y से end होती है, but before Y there is a consonant. Consonant means B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, like these. Okay? तो हम क्या करते हैं? We will write IES in the place of Y. Okay? Like lady, L-A-D-Y. Before Y there is a consonant. D is here. So जब हम इसका plural बनाएंगे, we will write here ladies. Okay? Like this we have to do. But if before y there is a vowel, a e i o u में से कुछ होता है, तो हम क्या करते हैं? हम ies में change नहीं करते. We will directly write there as, like boy, boys, play, plays, monkey, monkeys. Okay, like this we have to do. Then some words are in the some words we are not writing as, es, ies. We are when we will make the plural of that, the spelling is totally changed. Like mouse, mice, child, children, foot, feet, deer, deer itself. Deer का deer ही होता है, sheep का भी sheep ही होता है. Okay. So let's start with the book activities. Sorry. 1 thief, 2 thieves. F is there, तो हमने F की जगह VES यूज कर दिया. Okay. Then 1 house, then 5 houses, HOUSES. Then 1 glass, 3 glasses. Double S is there तो हम ES लगाएंगे. GLASSES. Goose, 1 goose. 10 geese. GEESE, geese. Diary, 4 diaries. DIARIES, diaries. Before Y there is a consonant. Dish, SH is here, so what we will write here? ES, dishes. Then X, X's. AXES, X's. Okay. Sheep, sheep itself. Man, MEN, man. 5 men. Child, children, 4 children. Okay, like this we have to do this exercise. Then come down. In this exercise, rewrite these sentences by changing the underlined nouns from singular to plural. What you have to do in this exercise, the underlined words are given to you and you have to change them into plural form. Like box is here, so boxes will come. So the child, what is the plural of child? Children, CHILDREN. The children went to the party. Okay, like this you have to do. Okay, so do this exercise in your book and complete this. They say was, wasses, shelf, shelves. VES will come. Brothers, bags, knives. VES will come. Spoon, spoons. Like this you have to do this activity. Okay, then complete the paragraph with the plurals of the words given in the box. Here is a yellow box. Okay, in this yellow box some options are given to you. आपको उनका plural बना के fill in the blanks में complete करना है. So do this exercise also. Okay. Then exercise number D. Change the words in color to their plural form and say the sentences aloud. It means what you have to do in this activity, you have to change the words into the plural form. जैसे we cut the loaf. LOAF is there. So LOAVES, loaves of bread with the knives. KNIVES, knives. Like this you have to do. Those are red letters. You have to change them into plural forms. And this exercise you have to do in your copy. Okay. Do this activity in your copy. Then come down, exercise number E. In this exercise what you have to do? In this exercise आपको क्या करना है इसमें? In this exercise plural forms are given to you and you have to change them into singular noun. Like the boys went to drawing classes. So boys, what is the singular of boys? Boy, BOY, boy. The boy went to drawing class, CLASS. Like this you have to do. Okay, so this exercise also you have to do in your copy. Okay, exercise number D and exercise number E, both you have to write in your copy. Okay, then come down. This exercise, in this exercise what you have to do, you have to write the plural nouns according to the situation of the sentence. आपको यहाँ पे options नहीं दिए हुए हैं. It is your choice to write any option which is suitable for the sentence. Like there are 3 dash in the park. Benches you can write. There are 3 benches in the park. Then the dash are in their dash. So you can write the birds are in their nests. Then at the stop I will buy some. At the shop I will buy some rice. Okay. Where are my socks and shoes? Okay. The children are playing with the balls. What a lot of money she has. Fruits and flowers grow on trees. Take these books and put them on the table. I have some chocolates in my bag. Okay. So like this you have to do. Okay students, do these activities and fill them in your book. And exercise D and E you have to do in your copy. Okay, so do this and do practice of all the singular nouns and plural nouns. Thank you.